What's good, everyone? Back with another video, and just gonna be doing a little update video on the car. Yeah, I know it's been a little bit since I kind of did like a vlog or video like this, so figured I'd do it since it's gonna be going under the knife in about 2 weeks again. And yeah, so pretty much what I'm gonna be doing is just changing up the hot side. So instead of it going down over here and it kind of being tight, I'm gonna have it come over out onto this side. Also gonna be getting a new R-Tech V-band, the new stainless cast manifold. So I heard good things about it. Gonna be doing that. Well, it's upgrading to a thicker Megan Racing radiator, just because the coolant temp is like 190 consistently, so trying to get that down. Obviously clean up all this. What else? That's it pretty much. Want to get the new radiator in. Excuse the airplane. Want to get the new radiator in. I'm going to get dash 20 fittings welded onto the top and onto the bottom right there on that water neck. So yeah, it's a good time to do that too, so that this piping will be out of the way, more clearance. I don't know, it does the job, nothing's wrong, but there's a little coupler you can see right there. I just want to change it all to one piece with the HD clamp. So yeah, that's how she's sitting right now. Still have the body kit. One other thing I added was the roof spoiler, and yeah, gonna be doing a few other things too to the body. I got a Lexus style spoiler gonna be putting on. Fix this Gretty exhaust, the RS, just because it's not meant for the wagon. So when it goes to the fabricator soon, in about 2 weeks when you see this video from now, I'm gonna try and get it modified and get it so that there's no bolt holding the tip on. So I already got a brand new tip. I'm just gonna get it welded on. What you're doing is getting the car detailed, taking the motor out, putting in the GTE short block. If you go back a few videos, you'll be able to see me getting it from Toyota, brand new long block, not short block, I meant long block from Toyota, GTE. Gonna be doing that with like a pretty much refreshed head with like BC springs, retainers, keeping the intake side the same, and then obviously gonna clean it all up once the motor comes out. So yeah, my goal is probably like 800 on E85 and 550, 600 on 93 octane pump. So yeah, I don't live too close to a lot of E85 pumps, so I'm just gonna keep a few jugs, a few 5 gallons with me, so whenever I'm near a pump or whatever, I'll just, you know, have like a whole tank worth and fill up the car too, so have pretty much like two full tanks. But yeah, other than that, guys, it's just a quick little short sweet video. Gonna be also tearing down the whole car. Gonna be doing everything the right way, like fixing the double-sided tape and getting the actual Toyota like lip molding all around the car. So it's just like little things like that gonna be doing. Probably get the little bumper kit, fix that, probably paint the bumpers front and rear, use the molding again for the rest. Obviously getting new wheels since I'm turning up the power. I want to get like a nice little drag pack, something that's still sleeper looking, semi-ish. But yeah, definitely going to be having a lot of videos this winter and this fall, so please make sure you subscribe. A lot of people like this and got questions, so if you have any questions or anything, just leave a comment below. And yeah, I got about already like at least 5 videos planned So yeah, never mind all the other stuff I'm going to be doing. So yeah, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe.